All right, so you got the classic plastic bag here, right? But on the back, they added this little funny kind of thing. All right. Okay, so we're gonna crack it open. It's a large black Palace All Nighters t-shirt. I need 2 hands here, 1 second. My God, that's a strong spot. Ooh. Okay, so it's cracked. Oh, it's nice. Like, as soon as you touch the fabric, it just feels like amazing quality. And hold it up perfectly. Cool. Right? Okay, so now let's see the tag. Oh, this one didn't have one. The other one had like a tag that said your garment is like hand dyed. I guess this one probably is done differently. Like this looks like way more like a print, but it has like a weird embroidered effect on the print, but it's actually just printed. Anyway, yep, this shirt's sweet. Packaging sweet. I like the way they fucking handle their shit.